It's Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am here with a mindful moment from our Imagination Vacation cards. This comes from our Yoga for Classrooms activity cards, and this is called Healing Hands. Remember, in our Imagination Vacation cards, no movement is required. You just get to listen along and have a nice little break in your day, a nice mindful moment to help you regroup and make the best of the day ahead. This mindful moment really helps with self-awareness, with self-care. It will feel empowering and help you to feel compassion to yourself and to others. All wonderful things, all so important. So come along and join me as we go on an imagination vacation with healing hands. Remember, our imagination vacations either began in our sitting mountain or in our desk rest posture, whichever you prefer. Go ahead and make your way there now. Now, for this one, if you begin in desk rest, you may begin there, but in a moment, I'm going to ask you to come back up to sitting mountain. So you may begin there for a moment if you'd like, as we begin to just settle in, noticing our breath, bringing awareness to our breath, breathing in and out. Closing your eyes for a moment if you'd like, as you again really notice your breath in through your nose, out through your nose. Good. If you're in that desk rest, go ahead and make your way back up to sitting mountain and begin to rub your hands together quickly. We're going to do this for about 30 seconds. So really feel that heat growing. Really feel that movement of your hands connecting. Staying here for about 20 more seconds. Right. We're going to begin to slowly pull them apart and really notice. Do you see or even feel the energetic vibration between them? Maybe it looks kind of fuzzy if you look really closely, or maybe you can just feel that heavy magnetic pull towards your hands. You might feel warmth, maybe even a little bit of sweat. Go ahead and move them back close together and then apart, kind of playing with that energy, almost like it's a ball in your hands, cupping that energy, making the ball smaller and then making the ball bigger. Noticing that energy that you're holding within your hand. All right. We're going to now use our healing hands to help make our bodies feel better. If it's comfortable for you, begin to close your eyes. Take those healing hands to your belly, and we're going to practice a balloon breath where we breathe in through our nose, pretending as though we're filling that balloon in our belly with air. And with each inhale, I want you to draw in kind, healing thoughts. And with each exhale, send out kindness and healing thoughts to others around you. Notice this healing energy is moving down your arms, into your hands, maybe even into your belly if your hands were on your belly. Your fingertips might begin to feel a little bit tingly. That's okay. That simply means you sent them warm, healing energy into your hands. Now that we have awareness of our breath and healing energy in our hands, silently scan your body and notice if there might be an area that you have any aches or pains. Maybe you've had a bit of a headache all day, or maybe you hurt your arm or your leg, or maybe even your stomach has been hurting. Maybe your heart's been hurting today from something that happened with a loved one. Notice the area of your body that could use some healing and place your healing hands over that area. Envision the love and healing energy coming out from your hands and into your body, into that area that you feel like needs it most. As you place your hands on the area that's feeling that pain, imagine the pain drifting away. Keeping your hands there for a moment, really continuing your breathing and noticing your healing hands on that part of your body with aches or pains. Continue breathing here for a moment, and I'll tell you when. Begin to rub your hands together once again. Slower this time, but still feeling that healing energy in them. You might cup them gently over your eyes, giving yourself a moment in darkness to take a deep breath in and out. Feeling that energy, feeling that healing love enter into your body. Taking your hands back to your lap or your heart, whatever feels comfortable. Noticing how you feel as you've sent that loving, healing energy into your body, into those areas of pain. Maybe if you have another area of pain, you do that over again. Again, bringing in that energy, that healing energy. And then once that energy is really building, placing that energy, that healing energy on a place that needs it most. Even if it's your heart, your head, maybe some part of your body that's been hurting. Sending more of that healing energy into your body. You might even try this same activity, but try sending others that healing energy that we built up together. Maybe you could build up that healing energy next time you do this. And then next time, just place your hands open in front of you, sending that out to maybe someone in your class or someone in your home or someone in your neighborhood who needs it most. Know that you can send healing, loving energy to anyone, anytime, including yourself and including those around you. Let's take one final breath together as we close out this mindful moment in through our nose and out. Maybe a smile comes to your face as you think about that healing energy that's both within you and out there that you're sending to others. Thanks for joining me today on Healing Hands, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.